All right, well, it's been a wild day here in South Texas. This is courtesy of Terry Samuels out in Flower Bluff. A tree fell down over there with wind gusts that have been around 50 miles an hour here in town today, just flowing into that big storm system up to the north of us. Let's go right to the Doppler radar. Thank you, Terry, for that picture. As you can see here, a line of storms from the Red River Valley to Austin, south to San Antonio, and then a broken line has now emerged in northern Live Oak County, north of George West. This is going to miss George West, but this is, again, the beginning of what will be a night of showers and thunderstorms. They'll be scattered about. They'll be more likely north of Corpus Christi than south. But here's Three Rivers, and again, this is moving northeast towards the Goliad area and beyond, Karnes City and up to the north. But that's just popped up in about the last 30 minutes, where we had a morning low of 68, a high of 83, and although we did have some drizzle last night, no official rainfall last night or today in the area. 81 right now, and the wind's only blowing at 38 miles an hour. Again, it has gusted as high as 54, with temperatures inland reaching well into the 90s, and lots of instability there while we're capped off with the lid on the atmosphere here near the coast for now because of the strong winds at the surface. All right, let's take a look at those winds. 38 miles an hour across Portland and Corpus Christi, 29 in Robstown, just 20 in Beeville, and 16 in Port Aransas. The water, though, having the mitigating effects there, and 54 was the highest wind gust reported, with 40 in Rockport and 51 at the Naval Air Station in Flower Bluff. That's why we have the high wind warning out till 7 o'clock tonight for Nueces and Clayburgh counties, and the gale warning in the offshore waters, fire weather watch, all kinds of activity that we outlined at the top of the show. This is a tornado watch that's just north of the Chris 6 viewing area, the brush country, and the coastal bend, primarily from San Antonio all the way up to the north. This is front number 1 that will push through later tonight, followed by a secondary push during the day tomorrow, looping around that upper level low with dry air behind it. That's why we've got the fire weather danger so high tomorrow. In the meantime, in blue here, the moisture is picking up, and once we break the cap off the atmosphere, we will see a few thunder showers and storms fire later tonight and tomorrow, but the heaviest of activity will be in East Texas. That's according to the Storm Prediction Center, a slight risk down into the San Patricio County and B in Live Oak and Refugio and Aransas counties, with a marginal risk then for the southern half of San Patricio County southward, including all of Corpus Christi. The risk is for flooding 0 because it's so dry out there, and strong winds, there's a high risk of that. Some hail and lightning, moderate risk, and tornado risk is low. As you can see, the moisture is highest right along the coast, about 340 tonight. There is the line of storms, and again, you can see them out to the west. They get more profound as you get towards the early morning hours. They'll be gone by about 6:30 in the morning. So tonight we'll have a rain-cooled 60 degrees. Tomorrow we'll hit 85, then 46 and 72. So amazing. 45 and 78 on Thursday. 49 and 83 Friday. Absolutely gorgeous weather into Saturday, but then it turns windy and nasty again Sunday and Monday of next week.